Today, I want to share some insights into personalized diet plans and how they can help achieve sustainable fat loss. First, let's address that there is no one size that fits all diet. Every individual is unique. Your genetics, metabolism, activity level, and even food preferences vary widely. A diet that works wonders for one person might be completely ineffective for another. This is where personalization comes in. Instead of following generic diets, you need to consider factors like your body composition, your lifestyle, your gut health, and even your cultural food habits to create a plan tailored specifically for you. But how do you make it sustainable? Here's the key. Focus on long-term changes, not quick fixes. Crash diets might help you shed a few pounds fast, but they often lead to rebound weight gain. Instead, aim for gradual fat loss by creating a slight calorie deficit, that is, consuming fewer calories than you burn, while ensuring you're getting enough nutrients to stay healthy. Incorporate foods you genuinely enjoy into your diet. Deprivation leads to burnout, so balance is crucial. Love pasta? Pair it with a protein source and plenty of vegetables. Craving chocolates? Enjoy a small portion guilt-free post-workout. Sustainable diets are built on moderation, not restriction. Another essential element, which is often ignored, is physical activity. Regular exercise not only boosts your metabolism but also preserves lean muscle mass during fat loss. Even simple activities like walking or yoga can make a big difference when combined with a personalized diet plan. Now, if you incorporate resistance training, then you will not only lose fat but preserve and also build muscles that are highly metabolic, which helps in losing fat and maintaining the lost weight. You may also gain more muscles in the process, which thereby increases your metabolism. Lastly, don't underestimate the role of mindset. Fat loss is a journey, not a race. Celebrate small wins, be patient, and focus on building habits that support your goals. To conclude, a personalized diet plan combined with a balanced, sustainable approach is the key to effective and sustainable fat loss. Prioritize what works for you, stay consistent, and enjoy the process.